Don't make no excuses. I had an epic fail on mine.
Yours was almost going there.
You did a lot better than I did.
All right, go ahead. Step back a little bit more.
Well, I'm stepping back.
You got long arms.
Women want equal rights and equal treatment, right?
I didn't say that.
Yeah, so you throw it as the same.
No, I want equal right. You do more.
My aim is completely off.
Epic fail.
That's all.
Okay, see?
All right, she did better than me, and I still won because I got her. See anything you like? What are we doing today?
We're gonna go find waterfalls. Look, all of these waterfalls are close. They're all about like 40 minutes away.
Okay. We've arrived at Bluestone. Oh. Bluehole. Yeah, let's go down further.
Yeah.
Wait, Bluehole waterfall. It looks like it's gonna be cool. Listen, this is kind of far. We're going down. Look how steep that is. Yeah, I'm gonna see how we can get over there. Very, very slippery out here. And the water is super cold. Sort of cold. The rocks are like incredibly slippery, but it's beautiful out here. I used to do this every time I go somewhere. Oh! I would go in there, but I don't want to get wet right now. This is awesome. let me tell you, this right here is some of the most amazing stuff that I've seen.
I don't want to go anywhere else. This is amazing.
Yes.
I just want to sit right here and enjoy this. Enjoy God's creation. Alright, baby, where are we going?
We're going to Rutledge Falls, but we just came from Bluehole Waterfall.
Why you say the hole like that?
Bluehole. Yeah, so today was a day that we decided to do waterfall hunting. That was actually her idea. We were supposed to go to the Smoky Mountains.
I'm glad we didn't go.
Yeah,
it's way more fun.
Yeah, and it was a 4-hour drive there, 4-hour drive back, so we wouldn't have got back home until like super late. So like, I'm glad that we just, you know, did the waterfall hunting. So we just picked like 3 or 4 local ones in the area. Now we headed to Rutledge Falls. The pictures look beautiful, but listen, the pictures in the video that we show y'all, does it no justice than actually being in the place.
With your loved one.
Yeah, and then to do that with somebody that you like, that's dope, that you love. Yeah, it's
I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
I'm grateful to have you too, girl.
This is fun. This is amazing, baby.
It is amazing. So I'm excited to see what the next one is. Plus the hike is real serene and quiet and peaceful too. You know, it's like just no noise. If you live in the city like we do, sometimes getting away is like, just, we love our kids, but like sometimes if you just get that quiet away with you and your spouse, seriously, it's like relationship building stuff.
Yep.
It does wonders for you. It does wonders for your relationship, man. What good does it do you to have like all the money in the world, but you don't have nobody to enjoy these things with?